If you are searching for a business for sale, a Fetch Pet Care franchise resale can be a smart way to step into ownership with momentum already in place. Instead of starting from zero, you may be able to acquire an existing territory with established clients, trained caregivers, local brand awareness, and operational systems already running. That can mean faster cash flow, a shorter ramp-up period, and clearer performance history to evaluate before you buy. Fetch Pet Care helps you transition smoothly with training, technology, and ongoing support, so you can maintain service quality while improving operations and expanding the customer base. With a proven model and recurring service demand, your growth path can include adding caregivers, increasing capacity during peak travel seasons, and expanding into related services like dog walking, pet sitting, and boarding. If you want a faster entry into pet care ownership, a resale opportunity can offer a strong head start.